2015 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.